Hi guys, it's me again. First, before we get started, I hope you guys all had a very nice Easter weekend and you really enjoyed just spending time with your family and hopefully you got to crack some eggs on somebody. Um, and just know that I really, really miss you and I was thinking about you guys this whole weekend. So let's go ahead and get started. So today, I'm going to model how to add a sentence to a paragraph. So after you have read Lauren's new game and you write the central idea, then you are going to answer some questions. And this one is just a model of how we can add a sentence. So after you read the paragraph, so you're going to read this paragraph. And after I read it, I'm going to tell myself what the gist is. So the gist is that Lauren is excited about a new game. Now it says underlying keywords. Well, my question that I want to see what I have to do. I have to add the sentence, feeling startled, she shakes her head and sits up straight. So when you're adding a sentence, you really need to look at the logical order of what is happening in a sentence or in the paragraph. But let's act out, feeling startled. So when you're startled, you're like, so let's all do that. So feeling startled, she shakes her head and sits up straight. So obviously something had to happen for her to do that. We don't just feel startled for no reason. So it says where would best place to insert this sentence. So it says at the beginning of the paragraph. So let's see. So if I were to put it right here, feeling startled, she shakes her head and sits up straight. She easily catches and returns the frightened bear and small zebra. If she was frightened, would she easily catch something? No, so I don't think it fits there. So let's go after 6. So after I read 6, she easily catches and returns the frightened koala bear and small zebra. Feeling startled, she shakes her head and sits up straight. But that didn't make her feel that way. Nothing really happened there for her to suddenly shake. It says after sentence 8. So annoyed, Lauren starts pushing buttons in an attempt to reset the game. So she's pushing the buttons. And then after feeling startled, she shakes her head and sits up straight. Well, that doesn't really tell me anything either of why she was startled. So let's look after sentence 9. So as she pushes buttons after buttons, she hears a growl. Well, if I heard a growl, I would be like, what was that? And that would kind of make me feel startled. So let's put it together. As she pushes a button after button, she hears a growl. Feeling startled, she shakes her head and sits up straight. Wow, she thinks, the special effects in this game are realistic. So to me, I think the best place to put this sentence is J, because the key words, she hears a growl, that's a reason for someone to feel startled. So that would be my justification. So as you try this today, guys, really think about what is happening in the sentence. Kind of picture in your mind like she was playing a game. Like what would make somebody do that? And really look at the logical order and keywords in the sentence. After you finish doing that, you guys are doing a much better job at reading your exit ticket, the central idea, and then really justifying why you're choosing these answers. I feel like a lot of you are doing a really good job. You have 4 questions today, so just make sure that you're underlining your keywords and really trying your best to justify why. I'll see you soon, and I can't wait to see your responses. Bye.